A beacon of hope here in Brampton, a city hit hard by COVID-19. It has the highest case counts in all of Ontario. And this morning, for the first time, one of its healthcare workers happily rolled up her sleeve. Vaccines are also starting to roll out in other hot zones in the GTA, giving frontline workers something to look forward to as we head into the holidays.
Sandra? Feeling okay? Yes, I am. A bit nervous though.
Vilma White is a long-term care worker who's been on the front lines of this pandemic from the very start. She says the last 10 months has been full of fear, so she did not hesitate to be the first in line.
I have a son, and he's just 14, and I said it would be so sad if I get sick I can't see him.
Vilma is the first of 50 healthcare workers here at Brampton Civic receiving vaccines today, followed by another 90 tomorrow. And as shipments keep coming, the line will keep on moving. So take us through. How's your arm feeling?
I didn't feel anything much. I feel great. This is much better than the flu shot. I don't know if it's my mind or the person who gave it to me, if she did so well. I don't know what it is, but I'm comfortable with it.
The William Osler Health System is struggling to keep up with the number of COVID-19 patients. Right now, 27 occupy ICU beds. About a dozen critical care patients have been transferred to other hospitals, and more will likely follow, with numbers expected to spike in January.
We have so many essential workers who are on the front lines, and this was desperately needed.
Today, the city of Vaughan is also making history.
Say ouch. Big man.
With a poke and a Band-Aid, personal support worker Juanito Driz got his first dose of the vaccine.
Same number?
And this follows a momentous moment in Mississauga. Yesterday marked 9 months since Trillium Hospital received and treated its first COVID-19 patient. It was also the day the first vaccine went into the arm of a registered nurse from a long-term care home that was hit with a major outbreak and lost dozens of residents in the first wave. The holidays won't come easy for the doctors, nurses, and other healthcare workers here in the GTA. They're exhausted. Many will be working through Christmas, and some are off sick. But knowing help is on the way brings renewed hope for the new year. Once you're fully inoculated and once it's safe to do so, who's the first person you're going to run up to and hug?
Oh, let me see. My stepmom. She's very nice to me, and she's elderly person. She's in her 90s, so I want to give her a pretty big hug and, visit her, spend some time with her.
And in just a few months' time, this hospital will hopefully be vaccinating 200 to 300 people a day. But this does come with a warning. The head of William Osler Health System says we're still in the eye of the storm. Their patients are getting younger and younger, and we need to continue taking precautions and follow public health guidelines.